After controversy over the amendment to the Rajasthan Compulsory Registration of Marriages Bill, which said that all marriages, including marriages of minors, must be registered, the Rajasthan government had said that they will ask the governor to return the bill. After being passed in the State Assembly, the bill is pending for governor's assent and is now being recalled by the Rajasthan government. Harsha Kumari Singh joins us with the very latest. Harsha, what more can you tell us?
Well, Rishika, this bill had led to a lot of controversy because remember in Rajasthan, child marriages are still quite prevalent. According to the National Family Health Survey data of 2015-16, 35% of minors are married off in Rajasthan are married off as minors. That's the rate of child marriage. Now, if you allow all marriages to be registered, including those of minors, in one sense, it can be interpreted as allowing child marriages. Though, of course, the government said, no, we are not allowing child marriages, the collector can still take action, etc. But as long as you allow something to be registered legally, you're actually recognizing it. So that was the first contention. The second contention was by people who worked on the ground actually to annul child marriages. Now, just to give you a little bit of background, when a child marriage happens, a minor, when they are adult, can decide whether they want to annul it or not. Now, in this case, if it's registered, then it will become that much more difficult to annul it for the simple reason that as soon as they go into court, the first thing the judge will ask them is, where is your registration, right? So how will a minor who has anyway been illegally married then try and access registration papers? Will the parents be willing to give registration for something that was actually an illegal activity, which makes them liable? So these were the kind of logistical things. You see, making a law is one thing. Its implementation on the ground is another thing. And this is exactly what activists said. They said you're just making it that much more difficult for annulment to happen. So finally, it seems the government has seen some sense, thankfully, and now they're recalling it and having it legally re-examined. And that's really something, it's a good step forward because remember, yesterday was the Girl Child Day, and to take a decision like that sends across also for the Congress government the right political message.
Thanks very much, Harsha, for joining us with the very latest. We'll keep a close watch on those developments.